In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Smartsheet account. If you've decided that Smartsheet is no longer the right tool for you and you're looking to close your account, you've come to the right place. I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that everything is clear and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. Just as you would when accessing your projects, enter your login credentials on the main page. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll see your account icon. This icon might display your profile picture or just your initials, depending on how you've set up your account. Go ahead and click on that icon to access the drop-down menu related to your account settings. Once you're in the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Account. Clicking on this will reveal various settings linked to managing your Smartsheet account. Within this section, locate and select Plan and Billing Info. This is where you'll find the details about your current subscription and any actions you can take concerning it. Now, with the Plan and Billing Info page in front of you, spot the option labeled Cancel Account. Clicking this option initiates the account cancellation process, but you're not quite done yet. You have a couple of choices regarding how you want the cancellation to proceed. The first option allows you to cancel at the end of your current subscription. Opting for this means your sheets will become read-only once the subscription period ends, and then your files will be permanently deleted 30 days afterwards. This option is useful if you want a little more time to ensure you've saved all your important data somewhere else before it's no longer accessible. Alternatively, if you're sure about your decision and ready to proceed without delay, you can choose to cancel immediately. Selecting this option will bring the read-only status into effect right away, once again with your data slated to be deleted after 30 days. The cancellation of such a service is an important decision, so Smartsheet will ask you to confirm this action. You'll be prompted to submit your confirmation. Additionally, there's an opportunity to provide optional feedback. If you have thoughts or reasons you'd like to share about why you're canceling, this is a great way to communicate them to the Smartsheet team. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of deleting your Smartsheet account. Remember, once the account is canceled, any remaining data will be inaccessible beyond the grace period, so ensure everything important is backed up elsewhere before proceeding. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.